Hi, my dear all friends, how are you? Welcome to hear from Honey Forex Telegram VIP Forex signals. Our team provide all kind of signals, oil, gold, silver, indexes, and also Forex all pairs. Join our VIP Forex signals, and save your time and money. We have 3 types of subscriptions: 6 months subscription $399, 1 year subscription $599, and lifetime subscription $999 only. You can pay via BTC, USDT, Skrill and also via Binance. Thanks. All links available in video description. Take care yourself, and good luck.
Hey friends! How are you? Forex trading is very difficult, it is not easy. So first of all, understand the basics. You will see the up main chart. In the main chart there are weekly chart and daily chart. After will come in up H4, which level up marked in up H4. See here main, HBO, LBD, SNR, SND, FBG, rally base rally, drop base drop, rally base drop, drop base rally, resistance become support, support become resistance, demand area, supply area, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, support and resistance, structure breakout, structure breakdown, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, higher to high, lower to low, QM level, available is. And there are many more. How to use FIBO. Our team uses 3 methods of breakout and breakdown, which is valid, and which is not, retest entry which is valid, and which is not. Our team has many kinds of methods. And then, there are a lot of things, like technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, and it has 3 sessions. Number 1, Asian sessions, number 2, London sessions, number 3, New York session, and our team does most of trading in London session and New York session. And in New York session you have some. There is Forex Factory